What if I told you that the difference between being broke and being poor is a few money rules? These rules are not taught in schools. And if you came from a poor background or an humble background, just like it is said in Nigeria here, you are definitely not taught about these rules. So today I'm going to show you the exact money rules that the rich follows and the poor ignores these rules. If you're ready to level up your finances, these rules is for you because you are definitely going to change your perception about how you think about wealth. Hi guys, my name is Phoebe. On this channel, we'll talk about investments, we'll talk about mindset, business, and real life lessons. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. So without further ado, let's dive into what we have for today. One of the most ignored rules by the poor and the rich, so much depends on it, is called delayed gratification. We live in a world of instant gratification, and if you and I want to build a long-lasting wealth, we need to imbibe or cultivate the habit of delayed gratification. Delayed gratification simply means resisting the temptation of the immediate reward in favor of a larger or more significant reward in future. Let me explain this. This simply means that you saved up to buy a book or to buy a course which you know that is going to change your life. Instead of using that same money to go buy a nice food in a fast food, or you invested in a stock or into real estate, instead of using that same money to buy a luxury car to show up. Now, the ability to delay what you want right now for something much more larger or bigger in the future is one of the most single powerful skills you can learn from the rich. Money rules number 2, financial literacy. Now, this is for people who want to break out of poverty, who want to thrive and not just survive, who want to live the rat race. Financial education or money education is not something that is taught in your school curriculum. It is not taught in the streets. It is not taught in a poor man's house. It is only taught by the rich. And that is why you see that if you lack it, you will continue to be poor and poor and poor. And if you know them and use it, you will become very rich over time. This requires learning how investment works, learning how stocks work, learning how real estate works, and learning how cash flow businesses and other type of investments works. Money rules number 3, savings. The rich save their money for a better investment opportunities. We save to invest, and savings is not investment until you put it into something that brings more money for you. So this is what the rich do and the poor doesn't. That is why they keep on becoming richer and richer every time. Money rules number 4, building of assets or buying of assets. The rich builds assets. They buy assets. Asset is anything that appreciates in value. Anybody or anyone that buys or invests in assets never runs out of money. And the rich so much depend on buying assets and building more assets because asset is something that it can generate money for a very long time. Some assets can give you some kind of returns for more than 20 to 30 years. Money rules number 5, multiple streams of income. The rich builds multiple income streams. This requires building of systems, having different genuine sources of income, investing in cash flow generating investments, building cash flow generating businesses that runs without your presence, buying or investing in dividend paying stocks. These are multiple streams of incomes, and these are the things that the rich do. So the last but not the least, Money rules number 6, surrounding yourself with the right people. Your environment influences your mindset, and the rich understand this. So the rich surrounds themselves with investors, entrepreneurs, and people who think about growth and opportunities. So the earlier you learn these money rules, the better your financial life can begin to change. Building wealth is not by luck or magic. It's about self-control, discipline, and staying committed to your long-term financial goals. Now, guys, I want to hear from you. Which of these money rules do you think it is mostly ignored by most people? I did like to know your thoughts. And don't forget to like this video, share to someone that needs this message, subscribe to this channel for more videos on investments, business, mindset, and real life lesson. See you in my next one.